Ohayo gozaimasu.
Eating banana, just like a monkey.
You're a monkey. We're having breakfast now, and we will be going to eat this one. This is going to be our breakfast, our president's favorite. Pinaypay, what's that called? Maruya in Davao. They call it Maruya in Davao. And of course, coffee. Yeah. I haven't done anything on my face yet. I just got out of shower and it's time to eat. It's already 8 and there's still a lot of things to do. Yeah, again and again, over and over. Mani madira. So yeah, let's eat, guys. See you later. Hi guys, so I think I will be doing my face now. Yeah, I'll show you med today. Super. Wow, it's so bright here. Brighty. Look what happened to my umbrella, guys. Yeah, because the wind was so strong, like I don't know when was that, the other day, and I forgot to close this window. So yeah, I need to buy another. Oh my gosh, it's so hot and I'm sweating already. Yo. Okay, so we're out again and I'm so sorry that our view is going to be like this again. No? Always inside the car. Always riding. Wow, it's so beautiful there. So this is my... Huh? Wow, yeah. I think the wind's so strong because what's bowed in English? Wait, tide. Wave. Wow. Yeah, the waves is a little bigger today. Whoa. Can you do this? Can you do that? Can you see this part of my mouth, guys? It seems that it's so it looks a little dark here. I don't know why. Because I don't know why. Maybe because I sweat a lot on this part and my powder.
Give me a destination.
We're going to Galleria. We'll go straight ahead inside the tunnel. Wow, San Miguel beer. Yeah, so back with my mouth. So yeah, it really looks weird here. It seems like I have a beard. Yeah, it looks like I have a beard because I sweat a lot and this part sweat most. That's why even though I'm not wearing foundation, I'm only wearing powder, but the powder seems to wear off easy on this part, so no, it looks so weird right now. And yeah, I have a beard. We're now at Robinson's Galleria. Oh, I like their parking here. Yeah, because it's so well lit and it looks so good on camera, guys. Yeah, I look so good on camera. Yeah. So, why am I here? I wanted to go to Daiso, but the Daiso here, I don't like. See you later. Wow. I like their interior here at Robinson Gallery because it looks so pretty. See that? It seems like they're in the jungle with a monkey. Wait, monkey! Going upstairs. I like it here. I like Robinson's Galleria because so quiet. There's not a lot of people. Yeah. I don't like people. Sorry, no. I like monkeys like this because we're in the jungle, so you can only see monkeys. Yeah, can you see? There's not a lot of people here actually. Very, very few. That's why I like it here. There's no shops too. But actually we're just here because we want air-conditioned place. Yeah, because it's so hot. We just want to feel cool inside the mall. Wait, hurry up! Ayoko. We still need to go to... Oh, this is going to be the last floor. We're going to Daiso. Daiso? Daiso? Yeah. Daiso's over there. There. We're here at SM and it's lunchtime and we cannot decide what to eat. But we are here on the floor where there are a lot of foods. Oh, kuway na. Yay! Let's eat corn na lang. Kapuya na, oy. I'm so tired. So tired strolling around. First we went to Robinson and then we went to Sungold and then we are here at SM. What are we gonna eat with?
Anything.
Yeah, anything. What's
Majestic.
anything? Ay, takay yun. We will not eat very small lang.
I told you, if you're going to ask me, I just eat two.
See you later, guys. Hi. Are you going to buy the one?
Yeah, I would love to have one.
But the shoe, anay wa. Wow, feels so good. I want to try. Uy, uy.
Yeah, okay, try.
Wow, that's the mirror. Wow, I'm so fatter. I don't
Fatter.
like-
Huwag kang main ko na na, ha? Ikasakas liyo.
Hindi ko eh. Dire na lang ko balik ko din. Let's go now. We are here at Ayala. We're still finding or looking for a hydraulic chair. Oh, sweet. Oh, kakoy na. That one. Uli. Ano, like let's go. I think we're going home now. We haven't find anything here. I'm tired. Oh, we're still here at school. Baba's here and eating. She already had her donut, but now she's eating muffin from Dunkin' Donuts. And to be honest, my not munchkin.
Tastes like brown sugar.
Not munchkin. It doesn't taste like chocolate. The flavor of that muffin was chocolate chip, but it doesn't taste like chocolatey at all. I think, to be honest, I don't know, but for me, my cupcakes or muffin taste better than the Dunkin' Donuts muffin. Yeah, it tastes so commercialized. Yeah, I did not taste any chocolate in it at all. It just tastes sweet, nothing else. And I'm so tired, that's why I'm drinking Gatorade. But I want coffee. Coffee.
dito.
Coffee. No, may tayo. Uy, namitay na. What kind of coffee? I don't like that coffee sweet. So yeah, we're still waiting for Sashi. She's so late. You're done ba? You don't want anymore? I'll give it to Ate. Yeah, so she did not even finish her muffin, this muffin. Oh, you try. It just tastes so sweet. It's getting darker now. So maybe, yeah, I'll see you back home, guys. Bye. So we're home now and I'm just chilling. We're chilling. Everybody is busy. Baba's busy. And I am watching Bob's Beauty. Yeah. One of my favorite YouTuber, Bob's Beauty. This is her vlogging channel. So I'm just gonna chill for a while and watch some videos on YouTube before I go to sleep. Before we go to sleep.